Hey, Ben! Hello, hello! Benjo is wearing his special... Oh! Where's the smile? Oh, there it is! Thank you, boy! Where is it? Yeah? Not so much, huh? Well, here are his special slippers that he's got. From Aunt Nora.
All of his outfit is from Aunt Nora.
Oh, this is an Aunt Nora outfit, apparently. You have anything to say, buddy? Yeah, you're pretty cute. Got the hiccups, huh? Feels like his little. Remember that little thing that was in the middle of his chest?
Mm-hmm.
Feels like it's going in.
Maybe it is.
Hello. So I wonder if he looks different to all you grandparents and aunts and uncles out there who haven't seen him in a couple weeks. He's around 13.5 pounds now. He's growing wonderfully. As you can see, he's quite a chunk of baby. Hey, you're a big boy. And he's got some pretty good hiccups going. If I burp him, will that get rid of him? It never seems to work.
No. I don't think they bother him. I think this video might not be so interesting.
Yeah, maybe it's time to cut it off, huh? Maybe we can get one more smile out of him.
Oh, can you smile for your mom? Hello.
Oh, there's a smile.
Hello.
He loves his mommy, that's for sure.
That's pretty cute.
That's a pretty good show.
Yeah.
People at home will like that one. Is he gonna do his flirty face? Ooh.
Can I have a flirty face? It's difficult to flirt with hiccups. Okay.
Oh, poor buddy. Alright, well that's enough cuteness for one episode.